from everybody is like, please do coordinate with us. So we are waiting for few kids to join us, but still we are going to start this event. Not taking much of your time. We will start this event. And like I say, ladies and gentlemen, now we will have the lighting of the lamp. Post then, we will have our event started. Okay? So for this special occasion, we have the parents of grade A, the mothers who participated.
Grade 1 mothers. Grade 1 mothers, edoli. Itkoli, attention.
Only the mothers.
Please come on the stage.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to welcome the chief guest of this great evening. So I, on behalf of Kidzi, welcome Mrs. Asha Madhavan on stage. Mrs. Asha Madhavan, she has completed her post-graduation in genetics and Bachelor of Education from the Bangalore University. She had a passion to be an educator with main motto in helping the students to understand the unwavering secrets of science. Already now we have all the positive energy, right? Since we have the positive energy, it's right time for us to start this event. And to start this event, we have the kids from senior KG. So the next performance, it is not a performance, again there's going to be a welcome speech by the students of senior KG. I request everybody, each and everybody who's seated here to please give them a big round of applause, because the kids who are going to welcome you and us. So it takes a lot of energy, it takes a lot of hard work to perform on the stage. Please maintain the energy, give them a big round of applause, and you follow this until the end of the event. All right? Thank you. Now please welcome students of senior KG. Here's the welcome speech by the students of senior KG.
So here we have with us Agastya, Sohan, Lakshana, Arya, Shrishant, Manvit Raj and Jashit for the welcome speech.
Give them a big round of applause. These little kids are going to welcome us. So yes, this is a special moment. Capture this and make this as a memory.
And guardians who are here with us today, I'm extremely privileged to have this opportunity to address you all at this important moment for celebrating our 6th annual day Udan today. It is an honor for me to deliver my welcome speech for annual function. Today's children are the future of our state as well as our country. Today is a day to celebrate our young, creative and talented students. This year our children have outshown and brought jurors to this institution by demonstrating their skills in various competitions at the school. Our students have performed well not only in the sports but also shown their best in many other academic activity and competition. Competitions are opportunities where students get a chance to showcase their talent as well as their various academic and other co-curricular activities. We believe in powering opportunities of every possible kind so as to encourage each child to actively participate in many activities. At the individual class level, those children who have difficulties are those who lack the confidence in public speaking, stage fear, or confidence to perform, are encouraged to come forward, and we try to create a comfortable environment to help them win over their fears. This annual day program is held to recognize them, each of our students, for all that they have achieved and to encourage them their specific skills and demonstrate their interest, whether in academic, sports, or any other extracurricular activities. We believe that without this encouragement, entire teaching process is incomplete. We have therefore planned annual day program in such a way that every child who has shown excellence in any discipline should be recognized. We also believe that this would go a long way in motivating others too. On behalf of the management, staff and the students of Kidzi Dasapura, request you all parents to take some time out and go through the various exhibits here today. This platform is also an opportunity to welcome our chief guest of today's evening. This is unlike the past year where we always dance, drama enacted by our very own children. In the end, I would like to welcome all the teachers, staff and students who are an integral part of this institution. I request all kind cooperation through this program and making grand success. Thank you.
All right, now we have Shloka by senior KG students. I call upon Chetana, Viksha, Parinita, Shriksha, Darshini and Manaswi on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a big round of applause.
Shuklam Varadaram Vishnum Shashivaranam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Vadanam Dhyahe Sarva Vignopashantahe. Deva Deva Ganadyaksha Surasura Narachita Nirvignam Kuruve Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada. Saraswati Mahabhage Vidde Kamala Lochane Vishwarupe Vishalakshi Vidambe Namostute Edakshara Padabrastam Mahatrainam Cha Edad Bhavat Tastvam Shamatam Dei Prasida Parmeshwari. Om Gajananam Bhuta Ganadi Sevitam Kapita Jambu Parasara Bhakshitam Umasutam Shoka Vinashakaranam Namami Vigneshwara Pada Pankajam. Vakatunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha ध्यायेषु सर्वदा मूषिकवा अनमोदक हस्त चामरकलमिनम्बित सूत्र वामन रूप महेश्वर पुत्र विघ्न विनाशक पादमस्ते ಶರಣು ಶರಣಯ್ಯ ಶರಣು ಬೆಳಕ ನೀಡಯ್ಯ ಬಾಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಗುವ ಬೆಳಕ ಶರಣು ಶರಣಯ್ಯ ಶರಣು ಬೆನಕ ನೀಡಯ್ಯ ಬಾಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಗುವ ಬೆಳಕ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೃದಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುಖ ತಂದೆ ಕಾಯೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರೆ ಮುಖ ಶರಣು ಶರಣಯ್ಯ ಶರಣು ಬೆನಕ ನೀಡಯ್ಯ ಬಾಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಗುವ ಬೆಳಕ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದಾಗಿ ನಿನ್ನ ನಮಿಸಿ ನಲಿಯೋದು ನೋಡೋಕೆ ಚಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದಾಗಿ ನಿನ್ನ ನಮಿಸಿ ನಲಿಯೋದು ನೋಡೋಕೆ ಚಂದ ಗರಿಕೆ ತಂದರೆ ನೀನು ಕೊಡುವೆ ವರವನ್ನ ಗತಿ ನೀನೇ ಗಣಪನೆ ಕೈಯೋ ಮುನ್ನ ಶರಣು ಶರಣಯ್ಯ ಶರಣು ಬೆಳಕ ನೀಡಯ್ಯ ಬಾಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಗುವ ಬೆಳಕ ಸೂರ್ಯನೆದುರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಜು ಕರಗುವ ರೀತಿ ನಿನ್ನ ನೆರೆಯೊಡನೆ ಓಡುವುದು ಭೀತಿ ಸೂರ್ಯನೆದುರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಜು ಕರಗುವ ರೀತಿ ನಿನ್ನ ನೆರೆಯೊಡನೆ ಓಡುವುದು ಭೀತಿ ನೀಡಯ್ಯ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳ ಗೆಲ್ಲುವ ಶಕುತಿ ತೋರಯ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಶರಣು ಶರಣಯ್ಯ ಶರಣು ಬೆನಕ ನೀಡಯ್ಯ ಬಾಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಗುವ ಬೆಳಕ ಶರಣು ಶರಣು ಶರಣಯ್ಯ ಶರಣು ಬೆನಕ ನೀಡಯ್ಯ ಬಾಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಗುವ ಬೆಳಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು
Gentlemen, please give them a big round of applause. Again, these little kids, they are bringing that positive energy amongst us, right? And this is a pure example that Kidzi, it doesn't only look at the academics. They also make sure that, they look at the skills of each and every student and they promote them at the best. So please give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Now, it's time for some dance, right? So it's time for us to welcome Amulya MG of grade 1. She's going to perform on invocation dance by her. So please give her a big round of applause for Amulya G MG of grade 1.
Jim tananata jim jim tananata kumpariki tapaka kukumpari tananata kumpariki tapaka kukumpari jim jim tananata tananata kumpariki tapaka kukumpari jim jim tananata Thank you. ಆದ್ಯಂತರಗಿತ ಯರಲವ ಶಶಸಗ ಗಣಪತಿಗೆ ಪದತುಲು ವಿಘ್ನ ಭಕ್ತ ನಿಮಗ್ನ ಭರಸತ್ ಗುಣಕೃತಾಪತೈತೆ ಕಳಾಮೃತಿ ಜಗತ್ತಂಕರಿ ಆದ್ಯಂತರಗಿತ ಯರಲವ ಶಶಸಗ ಗಣಪತಿಗೆ ಪಡತುಲು ಆದ್ಯಂತರಗಿತ ಯರಲವ ವಿಘ್ನ ಭಕ್ತ ನಿಮಗ್ನ ಭರಸತ್ ಗುಣಗಂ ಗಣಪತಿಗೆ ವೈ ನೋಡುಲು ವಿಘ್ನ ಭಕ್ತ ನಿಮಗ್ನ ಭರಸತ್ ಗುಣಗಂ ಗಣಪತಿಗೆ ವೈ ನೋಡುಲು ಗಣಪತಿಗೆ ವೈ ನೋಡುಲು ಗಣಪತಿಗೆ ವೈ ಪಡತುಲು ಗಣಪತಿಗೆ ವೈ ನೋಡುಲು.
Once again, that was a great performance. Please give her a big round of applause once again. All right, now it's time for us to felicitate our chief guest. I request Mr. Santosh and Mrs. Rupa to felicitate our chief guest, Mrs. Asha Madhavan.
Our chief guest for the day is Mrs. Asha Madhavan. Completed her post-graduation in genetics and Bachelor of Education from the Bangalore University. She had a passion to be an educator with main motto in helping the students to understand the unwavering secrets of science. With journey spanking in various educational landscape like CBSE, ICSE, ISC and IGCSE streams, helping the young minds in cracking the NEET exams and having a deep honor in shaping various young minds, started her journey as a science faculty in Alpine Public School. She has worked in various institutions like Premis World School, DPS Whitefield as academic coordinator, CMR PU College as biology lecturer, HOD of biology in most prestigious institution like Laidlaw Memorial School, Ooty. She has also worked as a vice principal of Narayana Techno School at Delhi NCR for 4 years. Totally, she has 22 years of experience in field of teaching. Basically, as a science faculty, our commitment is in empowering the young minds to be new innovators of India. We are honored to have you with us here today, ma'am.
Give her a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
And parents, she is our newly appointed principal of MLZS Primary. So she is the one who's going to head our MLZS school from grade 1 to grade 4. And we are happy to announce that from this year we are starting with admissions from playgroup up to grade 4. So she is going to be our principal. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, now it's time for us to continue with the performances. Right, ladies and gentlemen, up next, the next performance is by the junior KG students. Again, this is going to be a dance performance from the junior KG students. So I would like to call upon.
So Bhavin, Tavanish, Chirant A.H. Gowda, Kushal, Bhuvan, Vishrut, Lishan, Suchetan, Manvit Shetty.
2, 1.
Come on, people, make some noise! Come on, guys, make some noise!
ನಾನು ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ರಾಮ ವೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ನೋ
ಅಣ್ಣ ನನ್ನ ಊರು, ಅಣ್ಣ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು, ಅಣ್ಣ ನಾನು ಕೆಂಚನಳ್ಳಿ ಕೆಂಚ ಕಣನ್ನೋ.
ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, ಹಾಕಿ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ? ಹಾಕಿ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಮನೇಲಿ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೂ. ನಾವು ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Give them a big round of applause. That's what we call it as a performance, right? Energetic performance. Can you show some energy? What a performance, guys. We have a play group dance for Namma old Kannada songs. Are you ready for the old Kannada songs? Really? Silent ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಿವಿಸಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Thank you. Up next, I would like to call upon the group.
So we have from playgroup dance old Kannada songs group Meera, Kanishka, Adya, Kiara, Yatarth, Yadvik, Hitarth, Arnav, Sanvi, Charvi, Virat, Arya, Shashant and Gunvit.
3, 2, 1, everybody make some noise!
ದೊಡ್ಡವರೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಣರಲ್ಲ, ಚಿಕ್ಕವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕೋಣರಲ್ಲ, ಗುರುಗಳು ಹೇಳಿದ ಮಾತುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ನಿಜವಲ್ಲ ಗೆಳೆಯ, ಎಂದು ನಿಜವಲ್ಲ. ದೊಡ್ಡವರೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಣರಲ್ಲ. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ದೊಡ್ಡವರಲ್ಲ, ದೊಡ್ಡವರಲ್ಲ. ರಾತ್ರಿಯ ಹೊತ್ತೆ ನುಗ್ಗುವರಲ್ಲ, ನುಗ್ಗುವರಲ್ಲ. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ದೊಡ್ಡವರಲ್ಲ, ದೊಡ್ಡವರಲ್ಲ. ರಾತ್ರಿಯ ಹೊತ್ತೆ ನುಗ್ಗುವರಲ್ಲ, ನುಗ್ಗುವರಲ್ಲ. ಗೋಡೆಗೆ ಕನ್ನ ಹಾಕುವರಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಠನು ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಓಡುವರಲ್ಲ. ತಗದಿಮಿ 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 ಬಡಿದರೆ ಆಗ ತೋಡಿರಾಗ ಹಾಡುವರಲ್ಲ. ದೊಡ್ಡವರೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಣರಲ್ಲ, ಚಿಕ್ಕವರೆಲ್ಲ ತೋಳರಲ್ಲ.
ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಸಾಂಬಾರಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಕಡೆ ತಿಳಿಯುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಡಾಮರಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆ ತಿಳಿಯುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಶಿರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಲೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂತೀರಿ, ನಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಶಿರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಸರಿ ಬಾತ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. ಎಂತದು ಎಂತದು ಹಾಡುದಂತ ಕೂಡುದಂತ ಕುಣುವುದಂತ ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಹಾಡುದ್ಯಾಂಗ ಕೂಡುದ್ಯಾಂಗ ಕುಣಿಯ ಕುಣಿಯೋದ್ಯಾಂಗ
ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಯಾದರೇನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಆದರೇನು ನಗಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು ಮಾತಾಡಲು ಎದೆ ಭಾಷೆಯ ಅರಿವಾಗಲು ಹುಬ್ಬಳ್ಳಿಯಾದರೇನು ಭದ್ರಾವತಿಯಾದರೇನು ಬೆರಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು ನಲಿದಾಡಲು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗಲು
ನಮ್ಮೂರ ಸಂತೆಲಿ ಸಂಜೆ ಹೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಂದೋಡು ನೀಂತಾನೆ ನಿನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ನಕ್ಕೋನು ನಾಂತಾನೆ ನಮ್ಮೂರ ಸಂತೆಲಿ ಸಂಜೆ ಹೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಂದೋಡು ನೀಂತಾನೆ ನಿನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ನಕ್ಕೋನು ನಾಂತಾನೆ ನನ್ನೊಡೆ ನಕ್ಕೋನು ನಾಂತಾನೆ
ನಮ್ಮೂರ ಜಾತ್ರೆಲಿ ಬೇಟೆಗೆ ಬಿದಿಲಿ ಜಡೆಯನ್ನು ಎಳೆದವ ನೀಂತಾನೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೆನ್ನೆಗೆ ಹೊಡೆದೋಳು ನಾಂತಾನೆ
You guys give them a big round of applause once again. That was a great performance by the kids. We enjoyed it though.
ಪ್ಲೇ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಏಜ್ ಏನು 2.5 ಸ್ಟಿಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಬಿಗ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಲಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್.
ಸರ್ ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಇದೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಇವತ್ತು ಅವ್ರು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಇದೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಅವ್ರು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಎಂಜಾಯ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು ಯಾರನ್ನೂ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದ ಶೋ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೈ ಎತ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಬೇಗ ಕೈ ಎತ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಸೂಪರ್ ಸೂಪರ್.
They deserve a big sound, guys. Make some noise. Thank you. We have distribution of prize, right? So, Team Kidzi, this just not organizes events for the kids. It makes sure that they organize something for the parents as well, right? The same way, they did organize some event, and that was a balloon game for nursery and PG kids and their parents. So to distribute or to give away the prizes, I request Mr. Tilak, and this distribution of prizes for Father's Day winners.
ಗೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಜ್ಞಾಪನಕ್ಕಿದೆಯಾ ಫಾದರ್ಸ್? ಸೊ ಬಲೂನ್ ಗೇಮ್ ನರ್ಸರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಜಿಗೆ ಬಲೂನ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಬಲೂನ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ನರ್ಸರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಜಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ವಿನ್ನರ್ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಟಿ ಆರ್, ಫಾದರ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇದಾಂಶ್, ನರ್ಸರಿ. ಸರ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಶ್ರೀನಾಥ್ ಸಿ ವಿ, ಫಾದರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಕ್ಕಿ. ಸರ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಭವಿನ್ ಆರ್ ಭಗತ್, ಫಾದರ್ ಆಫ್ ಧನ್ವಿ ಆಫ್ ನರ್ಸರಿ.
And this was shared by Bikramjit Singh and Mr. Mahesh Kumar, father of Ishita. Do we have
Sir,
Mr.
sir.
Mahesh Kumar?
Yes. Oh, okay. Good.
Give him a big round of applause.
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಈ ಗೇಮ್ ಅಂತೂ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? ಫಾದರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು? ಎಷ್ಟು ಎನರ್ಜೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲ? ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಓಡಿದ್ರು ಅದೆಷ್ಟು ಟೈ ಆಗಿ ಎರಡೆರಡು ಸತಿ ಮೂರು ಸತಿ ಆಗಿ ವಿಧಿ ಇಲ್ದಂಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಬ್ಬರು ವಿನರ್ಸ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ ಬಂತು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸಿ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಟೇಜಿಂದ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ವರೆಗೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾಡೋವಂಥದ್ದು. ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗುಡ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
Come on people, give them a big round of applause. ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಗೆದ್ದವ್ರೆ. And the second prize winner is Arjun Kumar B, father of Vedita. Do we have Arjun Kumar B, father of Vedita? Bandilva. Okay. Moving on to the next prize distribution, which is stacking the cone game again. This is for senior KG and grade 1 students. The first prize goes to Punit, father of Kushali, grade 1. Bandilva. Okay. Mothers ke ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. And the second prize is Gopal Krishna, father of Yogesh. Mr. Gopal Krishna, father of Yogesh. ಅವರು busy ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. Let's move on. Now next, it's time for us to get some performance. Here we have the performance which is nursery students. They are going to perform for us for Arabic Kutu song. Are you ready for it? ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಹಾಡು ಅರೇಬಿಕ್ ಕುಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಫೋರ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ನಾಯ್ಸ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಆಲ್ರೈಟ್. Come on people, make some noise. Keep going, yes. Enjoy the song, enjoy the music and the performance. Malama pitta pitta de, malama pitta pitta de. What a performance! Please give them a big, big, big round of applause. Come on, guys, make some noise. Look at them, how cute they look. Look at the kids, they are waving hands for you, man. Be a sport. Now give a big round of applause. They feel good. That was an amazing performance by the kids. Now, up next we have senior KG students performing for an English song. Right, again this is a dance performance. Give them a big round of applause.
So we have senior KG dance for English for a Western song. So on the stage we have Agastya, Charvi C, Darshini, Anvit, Chetana, Lakshana, Viksha, Parinita, Manvit Raj and Revati.
Come on, guys, don't count down, make some noise. Everybody.
Calm down, calm down. Don't this your body, you put in my heart. Fall down, roll it down. Girl, you sweet like Fanta, Fanta. If I tell you say I love you, you know they for me young girl, oh young girl. You not tell me no, 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 no. We gon' give me a lo, 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 lo. You got me like we gon' give me a lo, 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 lo. I see this fine girl for my party, she wear yellow. Every other girl they do too hard, but this down low. I'm in a fine situation, I can use the bell, I'm low. Finally I find way to talk to the girl, but she know for low. You gonna phone for her? You know I phone for her. Then I sit to feel like bum bum bum. But she dey give me small small one. I know, so she said they bust it down one one. But she feeling me sit down one. Cause her friends when they come, I like the treat one one. When they come, I like the treat one one. Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Don't have like trouble breaking into your heart like that. Cool chick, summer, yeah, I went up to my mother. Hot like summer, yeah, I'm making you sweat like that. Break it down. When I look in the mirror, I got you hurt. I got the superstar girls up. Do the booty. First step when I love to love you. I like one more rock with me. Know that I got that heat. Baby, shake it, stop it, shit. First step when I love to love you. Get it right.
Come on, everybody, make some noise.
Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise. Playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace. Kicking your can all over the place. Singing, we will rock you.
Come on, everybody.
We will rock you. Buddy, you're a young man, a hot man, shining in the street. You gotta take on the world someday. You got blood on your face, a big disgrace.
That's it.
Waving your banner all over the place. We will. Sing it out. We will rock you. Buddy, you're an old man, poor man, pleading with your eyes, gonna make you zombie someday. You got mud on your face, big disgrace. Somebody better put your bag into your place. We will rock you. Sing it. We will rock you. Everybody, we will rock you.
lovers in the bar is where I go. Me and my friends sat at the table doing shots, trying fast and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me. Trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hands, put them all in the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Coming down from the night, I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my wrist and put that body on me. Coming down from the night, coming down from the night. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bed sheets smell like you. Every day you say that it's something brand new. I'm in love with your body. 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 Every day you say that it's something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
That was a great performance. All right, up next. Now we'll go back to the prize distribution. To give away the prizes, I request Mr. Santosh on the dais. And this is for the playgroup and nursery students, and that's for the fancy dress
So
competition.
playgroup game, we had a topic, my favorite sport. Already ಬಂದಾಯ್ತು. First prize Yadvik. Playgroup Yadvik first prize. Second prize Yatharth. Second prize goes to Yatharth. Brustas football. And third prize goes to Charvi. Charvi.
All the time.
Just as tennis player.
You gave your
For nursery, again the topic was my favorite sport, and the first prize winner is Atmik. Atmik, is Atmik there? First prize Atmik, second prize Mitran, third prize Vainavi and Shreya Gowda, and we won special category also, best handmade prop. So best handmade prop goes to Shrayan. So this is Atmik here now. A big round of applause, parents. Third prize, Vainavi and Shreya Gowda. property. So handmade property, best handmade property. Shrayan is as cricket player.
Already now again it's time for us to get entertained. It's time for some performance. Up next, the performance is by the junior KG students. It's a dance for Madhuri Dixit duet song. Make some noise!
नौजवानों बात मानो कभी किसी से न प्यार करना नौजवानों बात मानो कभी किसी से न प्यार करना
Come on guys! Claps! Everybody clap, clap, clap! Come on guys, clap, 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 make some noise!
बन जाए अफसाना
This performance is a skit by the grade 1 students. So, and this skit is based on life before and after smartphone. This is something I want everybody to focus on, right? Please do watch what these kids are performing, right? They are performing on what is happening for now, at the moment. So please focus and watch them perform. Thank you. Give them a big round of applause.
So we have on the stage from grade 1, Amulya, Rishika, Shanvi, Sharvi, Prerna, Tanvi, Amshika, Kushali, Pranamya, Dhruva, Pranav, Paksh, Madhu, Prachet, Parinit, Satvik and Harshit. Ready children?
Give them a big round of applause. They are performing for us. I'm sure everybody is going to enjoy this.
Life before smartphone. Life after smartphone. before smartphone. After smartphone.
ನಿಜಾನ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು.
ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಆದರೂ ಒಪ್ಕೊತಾರೆ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾರು ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ? ತುಂಬ ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಪ್ಪ. ಓ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವಿಬ್ಬರು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಸರ್ ಒಬ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೈಸ್.
Life before smartphone ಒಳ್ಳೇದ, after smartphone ಒಳ್ಳೇದ? Give them a big round of applause once again, ladies and gentlemen. We have again prize distribution, and this is for junior KG, senior KG and grade 1 fancy dress competition. And I request our chief guest, Mrs. Asha Madhavan, to give away the prizes. The first batch is Junior KG Batch 1. The topic was marine animals. So, the first prize goes to Charvi and Siri. Do we have Charvi and Siri? Charvi was dressed as fish and Siri as dolphin. This is for the fancy dress competition on marine animals.
When I was hurt, you came to lift me.
Charvi was dressed as fish and Siri as dolphin.
Life is a drink and love's a drug. Oh, now I think I must be miles up. When I was
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, that's an achievement for these kids. Give them a big round of applause. Daivik and Kushi. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, please give them a big round of applause. Applause continues, please. You can also see them as a crab and dolphin on the screen. Can we have Ganika here? Give her a big round of applause. She was dressed as a starfish. Ladies and gentlemen, let the applause continue. And the best costume prize goes to Kushal and Duhita Bai. Kushal and Duhita. Give them a big round of applause. Look at their costume. They were dressed as crab and jellyfish. Animals. The first prize goes to Swara. Do we have Swara? First prize Swara. She was dressed as a seahorse. Give her a big round of applause. goes to Krishika and Suchetan. Can we have, and Suchetan too as octopus. Give them a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see them on screen with their attire. And the third prize goes to Vedita and Kushwant. Can we have Vedita and Kushwant? Ladies and gentlemen, give them a big round of applause. That's a prize distribution they have achieved for their age. Give them a big round of applause. Kushwant. Kushant. So give them a big round of applause. You can see fish and shark on the screen. Now the best costume, and the prize goes to Parnika. Can we have Parnika here? Give her a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Best costume as an oyster. And the next is senior KG students. The first prize goes to Viksha. Can we have Viksha from senior KG?
Buhita, Buhita's parent. Parents of Pranay, son
Second
of...
prize goes to Agastya. Big round of applause. He was dressed as an Egyptian. Give him a big round of applause. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's Tanvi Madhu. Give her a big round of applause. She was dressed as an Indian. Kushali, that's Kushali for you. Please give her a big round of applause. Wow, she was dressed as a Mongolian bride. Give her a big round of applause. For you to enjoy Ravichandran hits, we have kids performing for Ravichandran hits. And here are the kids. Ritwan, Arav, Vedhansh, Aryan, Gunav, Nihan, Reva, Latiksha, Inchara, Akansha, Dhanavi and Dutsavi. Please give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
ಇದು ಹೂವಿನ ಲೋಕವೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆಳತಿಯರಿಲ್ಲವೇ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾ ಹಾಡಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೂಗಳೇ.
Come on everybody. 1, 2, 3, together.
ಯಾರೆ ನೀನು ಹೂವೆ ಯಾರೆ ನೀನು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೂವೆ ಹೇಳೆವೋ ಚೆಲುವೆ ಚೆಲುವಿನ ಹೂವೆ ಸೌಗಂಧ ಹೂವಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡಿ ಕುಂದಿತಂತೆ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಹೆಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಂದಿ ಕುಂದಿತಂತೆ ಸಂಗೀತ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡಿತಂತೆ ಯಾವುದೋ
Come on people, together.
ಊರ್ವಶಿಯ ಕುಲವು ಮೇನಕೆಯ ಕುಲವು
Everybody together.
ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಲೂರಿನ ಶಿಲೆಯೋ ಶಾಂತಲೆಯ ಕಲೆಯೋ ಕಾಳಿದಾಸನ ದೇವಗೀತೆಯೋ ಕಾಳಿದಾಸನ ದೇವಗೀತೆಯೋ ಬೇರೆ ಆ ತಾರೆ ಮಿನುಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು ಈ ಕಣ್ಣೆ ಬೇರೆ ನೀನ್ಯಾರೇ ನೀನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನಿದ್ದರು ಒಳ ಮಾತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹಾಡಲ್ಲೇ ನೀನು ಇದ್ದರು ಎದುರಿರುವ ತಾರೆ ಹಲೋ ನೀನ್ಯಾರೇ ನನ್ನ ಮನದ ಪ್ರೇಮ ರಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಎದೆಯ ತಾಳ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಾನು ಹಾಡು ನೋಡಿ ಭಾವಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನು ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡಿ ನಕ್ಕರೆ ಸಾಕು ಲ ಲ ಲ ಲ ಲ ಲ ಲ ಲ ಬನ್ನಿ ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳೆಯರೇ ಬನ್ನಿ ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳತಿಯರೇ ಗೆಳೆಯರೇ ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳತಿಯರೇ ಗೆಳೆಯರೇ ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳತಿಯರೇ ಕಳೆಯಿತು ಆ ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ಅರಳಿತು ಮೆಲ್ಲಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಬಯಸಿಗೆ ಗೆಳೆಯರೇ ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳತಿಯರೇ ಗೆಳೆಯರೇ ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳತಿಯರೇ ರುಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ ನೂರು ಮೂರು ನೋಡಿ ಬಂದೆ ರುಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ ನೂರರಲ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಊರೇ ಊರಮ್ಮ ರುಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ ನೂರು ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಿ ಬಂದೆ ರುಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ ನೂರರಲ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತೆ ಮಾತಮ್ಮ ಹೇ ರುಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ ಹೇ ರುಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ ಹೇ ರುಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಮ್ಮ ಹೇ ರುಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತಮ್ಮ ನಾನು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಈ ಊರು ಮಾತು ಕಲಿತ ತವರೂರು ಜೀವ ನೀಡು ಅಂದರು ನೀಡುವೆನ ಹೇ ರುಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಮ್ಮ ಹೇ ರುಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತಮ್ಮ.
ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ರವಿಚಂದ್ರನೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Ladies and gentlemen, now this moment is going to be an important moment. Now the reason is, whatever is being organized, there's a lot of effort, there's a lot of hard work, correct, that takes behind the scenes, and we all know who does that, correct?
ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮು? ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಶ್ರಮ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್, ಫೆಲಿಸಿಟೇಟ್ ದೆಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್
I think it's time for us to recognize the people who have done real hard work, put in extra effort to make this event a successful one. It's time for us to recognize the teachers of Kidzi.
So can we have them on the stage? All the teachers.
Can we have all the teachers of Kidzi?
Teachers have the power to create a safe and supportive classroom environment where students feel valued, respected, and accepted. When students sense that their teacher care about their emotional well-being, it fosters a sense of belongings and emotional security, contributing to improved mental health. Thank you, teachers.
Ladies and gentlemen, give them a big round of applause. So these are the teachers who take care of your kids.
Then we have Veena Madam of Nursery. nursery. We have Ramya madam of junior KG and Shailaja madam of junior KG. Nirmala madam of senior KG. Then Padmaja madam of grade 1.